opportunity to visit Calcutta, your headquarters. There I really feel the Mother Teresa herself no longer, but her spirit very much alive. So that I very much admire. That's very important. Sometimes there is some individual who initiated some work, but that when that person no longer, then the spirit also, you see, eventually
Discontinue.
become weak. But in your case, really, you see, I found, you see, a lot of the sort of follow Mother Teresa still fully committed work, helping, serving to poor people. Please continue carrying our spirit. And dress, I think same sort of dress may be important, but more important is care. Infinite love, compassion, and determination, serving helpless people. That's very, very important.